Good afternoon to all of you, respected dignitaries and my dear friends. Today I am feeling proud and it's my pleasure to speak on great spiritual leader and inspiration of thousands of youth, Swami Vivekanand ji. Swami Vivekanand ji told, in a conflict between the heart and brain, always follow your heart. Swami Vivekanand ji was born in Calcutta in 12th of January 1863. His name was Narendranath Datta and his father name was Vishwanath Datta. Was an educated man who was well versed in English and Persian. The principle and characteristic of Swami Vivekanand ji has always inspired the youth and he has always been an youth icon. Swamiji was a staunch follower of truth and never compromised with wrongdoing. He has been a proponent of phrase Shiv Gyani Jeev Seva Kora, a Bengali phrase which means service to mankind is service to God. He has always thinking about the development of nation and society and has never afraid of anything. These principles of Swami Vivekananda ji's life have always encouraged the youth. Swamiji started his lecture in Chicago in 1893 from Sister and Brothers of America. This is the starting phrase in World's Parliament of Religion. This is not only phrase but signifies the character of Indians, characterified our Sanskriti, which means that we always believe in Vasudeva Kutumbakam. The world is a family and each person of each country is ours. One of the great French historian Romain Rolland once asked Rabindranath Tagore ji that I wanted to know about India. Guruji said that if you want to know about India, then you have to know about Ramakrishna ji. And if you want to know about Ramakrishna ji, you have to study about Vivekanand ji. He said two lines on Vivekanand ji. Everything is positive in him, nothing negative. Everything is positive in him, nothing negative. After years of research of Romain Rolland, he write a book, 10,000 years of condensed sadhana. I have studied many of books of Swami Vivekanand ji and many books on Swami Vivekanand ji. But one thing that inspired me most, I want to share with you. A two-line statement of Swami Vivekanand ji. He said, my name should not be made prominent. My name should not be made prominent. It is my ideas that I want to be realized. It is my ideas that I want to be realized. In short, I can say that I have no words for praising Swamiji. He is an icon. He was an icon. Great religion leader, social reformer, great legend, spiritual man and man of principle and words. Wishing everyone must follow footprints of Swamiji. Thank you everyone.
धन्यवाद परमजीत जी।